everyone, welcome back. I hope you guys are all doing amazing. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I like to take care of my colored hair and also show you how I like to DIY these bouncy curls that you could wear to work or whenever you're going to a meeting and you want to look more presentable. And I am also going to share a DIY thing that my mom taught me to do for my hair and to take care of it. And it was something that her mom taught her. So it's literally something that has been passed on from generations. So I'm super excited to share that with you guys, and I really hope that that can be helpful as well. So in this video, I have collaborated with Herbal Essences, and I wanted to show you how I incorporate their shampoo and conditioner in my daily hair regime. So because of my job, I am very frequently outdoors. I'm traveling a lot. I go to events, I have meetings, I have a lot of travel. So I have decided to move towards a much more healthier and natural lifestyle as much as possible in all aspects of my life. And the same thing applies to my hair care as well, because there are so many other products that claim to be natural and it is super confusing. And I've tried Herbal Essences because they are made with real botanicals and have been tested and endorsed by Royal Botanic Gardens, Kew in London, who are the leaders in plant science. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a DIY herbal pre-shampoo treatment, and then I'm going to show you how I like to shampoo and condition my hair, and also a heatless way to curl your hair. So let's get started. Now to make the treatment, you need coconut oil, castor oil, kalonji, and methi. Start with powdering the kalonji and the methi together, and then just mix all of the oils and ingredients and steep it in for at least a week in a glass jar. I've already made this concoction, so mine's been steeping in for over a month now, so I'm going to use that. So I'm just going to use that to apply all over my hair, and I'm going to concentrate on the ends because that's where it gets the driest. So once you've applied the treatment, you can keep it in your hair for around an hour, followed by shampooing your hair. Now for shampoo and conditioner, I've been using the white strawberry and sweet mint shampoo and conditioner. So I just like to take a little bit of the shampoo and lather it all over my hair, followed by using the conditioner and leaving it on for around 2 to 3 minutes before rinsing it out. And let me tell you, my hair feels so clean and refreshed without feeling dry at all. It also smells just like strawberries, very yummy. And the ingredients in the shampoo and conditioner are all natural with 0 colorants, 0 glutens, and no parabens. So yeah, this is what my hair looks like after it's fresh out of the shower. Now I'm gonna let my hair air dry 70 to 80%, and then once it's dry, I am going to create some sections and then tie it up into smaller buns. I like to typically create 4 sections on each side of my hair, and then once you tie the sections, you can go ahead and get ready. And once you're ready, you can go ahead and open up the buns as the last step, like right before you're going out. And that's it. That's how you get this very easy, natural, bouncy curls, and you don't even have to use any heat. I have been doing this for over a month now, and my hair feels super clean. It feels very healthy and very nourished. So in case you guys would want to try out the Herbal Essences shampoo and conditioner, I am going to leave them down below. And because I really want you guys to try them out as well, I'm going to do a giveaway where you can win their shampoo and conditioner, the one that you like, the variant that you like. So for that, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel and follow Herbal Essences on social media. I'm going to leave all of their links down below, and in the comments tell me which one is your favorite variant and why. And don't forget to mention your Instagram handle so that it's easier for me to pick up the winner. I'm going to pick up the winner in 2 days, and yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and you found this helpful, and I cannot wait to see you in my next one. Bye.